Abushia Nicholas Omane Acheampong any the great Ampong omada Ghana for nyina especially the great Ampong enche bia na mebe video fa the great Ampong na apology letter any apology song abushia ode betu dwa se opagana for nyina achew
politics ntiti entemo tani awo kwama nunu mpoza se wata hwe obefuzi katode to bia maneges afogetu e wona ubemu
Monfancha no so o campaign ma the new patriotic party obi e weti ane na so bia monfancha no abushia ni nyina na ada
2028 osoro bekasa
the great Ampong ada Ghana for ene one Nicholas Omane Acheampong unim say these two gospel artists no abushia omotomu wesi go say they are campaigning for the new patriotic party in 2024 elections abushia. Now after say the party lost election to the National Democratic Congress no the great Ampong de wonunu ho onya no 2 seconds ebe pa chaw say Ghana for fan channel from so wafum nyina mo fan channel obi e weti ade na so please forgive me
enti we ya na udidi ahimfatamu enti we ya ntina ukokuni
omako piem ewe ye wonabo Alexander Afenyo Markins abushia ni office enye office me no kasai almost anya ho kra san atonwo ma wonabo Afenyo Mark and the new patriotic party.
We are the new patriotic party. We are the new patriotic party.
So Ghanaians ask and say that why the apology song and why now going into the party's one of minority leader what I say because Afenyo Mark is their leader in parliament, so why go there sing for him and sing for the party and then encourage them. But for more than something in Amuai Kama Studios and any day don't forget to subscribe to this platform. Share video you more for no be so the course of social media and any day subscribe to this platform. So there be updating the because be ano. There was someone name Momenka was the 19th of this month abushia. Cash money presenting a year Vienna City Pub happening at Camp Junction abushia. DJ's rapping is DJ Bright. So don't forget to come and enjoy yourself. Now, for more on the great Ampong patch after 2024 election. Release a song apologizing to his His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the National Democratic Congress, Ghanaians, and after the last one, the omnipotent abushia or the chopper man yankopong. You are find a born in channel. Nina na dan intro. Ono ena afi Nicholas Omane Acheampong ko pimo ye minority leader ne office abushia omoko encourage the party members and those who are discouraging say there be we still have hope na honorable abushia odensem to dwa yebebo mo video ni na mo ahwe Omane Acheampong ne some to dwa the great Ampong so ne some to dwa ni we are going to play it over here for you guys to but before then the great Ampong twa antro also daye na so any Philippines for no ye abushia daye
me kai say emi bi me hwe movie bi na David ne so
Bible mu nsem na wo se waso dae dan wane de ye wo se correct no obo twa ntro kakaraka pa ho enti ho de ye mfa nko okra now akwakọ encourage the new patriotic party after the apology song
ne o ye no yen so etanachi enti wonso a wo fie no de ka che won se aridaso e wo ho
so I don't know Ghana for beside say there be other what other Ghana for and say the new patriotic party na san akomo sika enti na wasaba party ni bi mu ana yemo ni video ana one honorable Alexander Afenyo Mark wotwetwe nkomo na yeba yasa akobo Nicholas Omane Acheampong so ni nsem of the two encouraging the new patriotic party and then even singing for them. When we come back we talk more.
I was for NPP for and yaba ye penyi osahene honorable Afenyo Markins ne office yaba be chia no e be she ni nkuran e ka che ne se ne o ye no yen so etanachi nti wonso a wo fie no de e ka che won se aridaso e wo ho me kai se emi bi me hwe movie bi na David ne so na after say so we no na branche bi ebedi adanse wo be kan de si wo okunu a kire so na oba no ka kire so o ka kire David say long live O king Israel has been defeated by the Philistines. The ark of the covenant has been taken away by the Philistines. But the Lord has never forsaken his people. As I want to shame ye, ya fap mara kaneko, Israel din kugo, now so a rather send you in Finimine. Did the American Chawa, which if you say, Amara can debate me a fako, but a rather in Finimine, NPP 4. Monsha Mungrai. Na, inshallah, 2028, also Bekasa.
Abusia, the great Ampong, Ninsamadu Tuja, in the office of the minority leader, Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markins in office, encouraging the people, say they should look into the Lord. 2028 is going to be a door opens for the new patriotic party. They're going to come into power by hook or crook. And a year, the great Ampong, Ninsamadu Tuja, or a minority leader in office. Name Nicholas Omane Acheampong, no kwade Ghana Force yempena asemati. Uko comment section wankofo kana asembre nimum enye ne yebeka na. Nimum yemo no so the video ne nsembode tudwa e wo ye minority leader in office.
Na de asi enkyere sama gbamu abu medaso gina me na so. Ekwan bia asase e fa so a ahiafo ne obi a na maame awu ne papa obi a benya education wo Ghana ha no. Ye begina so ne yakoso aye campaign aboa ma NPP asan ba ifirize enya de a NDC fo we no ombe penema nkwala na akọ school free. BC grant ye dwom sika essence fee na wasi ayeka ntimum ye nyere ye ho na yensan sori me nkoto ba mfa bibia anto fom na ene ye yenkan ehumum nya baako ye srempanimfo nso se internal elections no ya na kasa ne bi wo ha ekododo mum ye nya baako se de ye papa Honorable Afenyo Markins kan ye no awaresem ye din wodan
Dino esenka ho. Me su sanity. Sanity.
ya na pese do na nyankopon jira mu nyina de enka mbona ya ba mu ye gina na so obi ansori.
We are the new patriotic party. We are the new patriotic party. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. We shall win to save Ghana. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. Eeii, rattle. Yeah, that's an answer. I'm showing you. Yes, sir. Omane. Yes, sir. Intro for you. You know, I spoke to a certain elderly NDC man a week or two ago, and he told me that, Alex, you know what you guys are going through is not the first in Ghana's political history. And he said, look, in 2000, it was the first time they in NDC had lost an election because they had gone through the revolution, the PNDC era and the Rawlings, 11 years plus, and then 8 years of democratic rule. So there was confusion among them. They didn't know where to go. But it took some strong few party members to say that they won't give up. And they started campaigning, using parliament and all. In the end, they got power. So I believe that with what you've done today, you know, not staying at home, but boldly coming to parliament to look for us, even at the time where we're on break, you still say, look, let's go and try. And I have also warmly received you. What you've done sends a strong signal out there that we are still ready for victory. And I believe that with rebranding, with a new posture, with a new attitude, with prayer as the ultimate solution, God would give us our heart desire come 2020. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Now, when you look at these two plays videos, now I say the great Ampong is speaking with steez. What I say? Why steez kakra? He is speaking from some set as why too relaxed on possible kasana on once a good year, but all the same. Yahuni free bar. Yeah. Now, Nicholas Omane Acheampong obviously and then somebody told you that is where people are saying today. After the speech, say, let me sing for the new patriotic party, those who are in the house and who are what does politics got to do with this Nyamensum the Martins? What I say, you have switched from your lane. Right now, you say you be politician because you campaign for a certain political party. Stay in the politics, Nyamensum for some politics. Quoting Bible verses and then singing gospel songs. I know he was the one who sang it, but to me, I say your thing and go. But they want to do whatever they can to please the minority leader because they are in his office, and then they will do whatever it takes to, please the minority leader, Honorable Alexander Fenyo-Markins. Now, Ghanaians are asking, said so what is the great Ampong even doing with his life? That is the question on board. People are asking, said Debbie. After election, you're doing so quite one for politics because a party lose, and then you release an apology letter because you catch His Excellency say the policy in I am conquering. What for Obama? Why I say because the policy in I am wasam. Conquering confirm that day. And now we be releasing song apology song. What I say to the president and then the party and Ghanaians, and at the same time even God. Now what's under the Yankopon? What are the Nipa? What are the president of the motherland? You have also deceived yourself. This is deceitfulness. Ghanaians are questioning the great Ampong. So no just say an apology song on Uncle Delete. That is what Ghanaians are saying. What do you think about this? Do you like your expression? Leave it under the comment section. Aye, because the people bring kasa media so I also kasa ni mo yehu de cost for busia I the social media handles and anything I my this video notifying you say the great Ampong any Nicholas Omane Acheampong ko pimo ye minority leader in office omako shenu kran ahye NPP for nyina nkran say 2028 they are coming to power wadwen kire wo ho ne say mame hu wadwen kire comment section ahye share video nso mo adofo no bibia so hu de cost for mine mu aha Kama Studios. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. And then they can click on the bell, share, and then don't forget to leave your comment. As I said earlier, I'm out.